Okay, so I'm back and we're still working on National Garlic Month. April is National Garlic Month, and we're dealing with some garlic spreads that make entertaining or just making some delicious food for your family really easy and fast. And all of these can be kept in your fridge and pulled out as you need them. So right now we're going to do a Lebanese garlic spread, and this is a real garlicky spread. It's made with a lot of raw garlic, olive oil, salt, and a little lemon juice, and that's about it. And we're really just emulsifying it all into a paste that remains together for spreading. My husband is half Lebanese. I've learned a lot of Lebanese cooking through his mother. And then also I have a dear friend, Seal Vardar, who is 100% Lebanese, a wonderful cook, and she's done some classes here at our stores in the past and learned a lot from her. So let's see how this goes. I've again peeled a bunch of garlic, and as I've said in another video, if having to peel all that garlic really makes you cringe, then you can certainly put all of the cloves in some boiling water for about a minute, let them drain them out, and then after that they'll cool and they'll slip right out of their skins. I don't think it quite gives you the best garlicky flavor afterwards, but that is an easy way to cut around. So all we're going to do is put in the garlic and some salt right now. And you definitely need a food processor for this, all right? And we're going to really pulse this to a really good paste. 10 to 15 seconds at a time. And we want it to turn pasty and it look crushed. So let's see how we're doing here with that. Oh, it's getting there. It really smells garlicky for sure. All right, we're going to give it another little turn just to be sure. I think it can look a little bit more pulsed and crushed. There we go. It's extremely, extremely minced, okay? So we're gonna scrape it down. And then really we're creating an emulsification with this. So all we're gonna start doing is we're gonna turn this processor on, and we're gonna slowly start adding the olive oil. And I've got a really beautiful green Tunisian olive oil here that we sell at the store. And you wanna start adding it about a half a cup at a time, and then just let it all kind of seep in. And this whole process should take about 5 minutes. So we're going to let this keep going, and we're going to keep adding a little bit more. See how that's doing. Yeah, there we go. It's getting there. It's all staying together. Let that work itself in. I'm going to do a little pulsing. And we're going to keep working on this, and when all the oil is added, we're going to come back to you. Hi, I'm back, and we're just finishing up our Lebanese garlic spread. It took about 8 minutes, just like our recipe says. And by the way, you can get all of our garlic recipes online at olivelittle.com. Click on recipes, and then just in the search bar, type in garlic, and they'll all come up, including this one. So if you recall, before we went away, when I took a look at this mixture, it was much more liquidy. And now, from adding all this olive oil, and it was about 4 cups of olive oil I added, it became very pasty, very much like a hummus, and it's all emulsified together. And it's as simple as that. And I wish that you could smell the garlic through the video. Unfortunately, you can't. You'll have to make it for yourself to try it. But this really makes quite an amazing garlic bread. It's a great spread over chicken before you grill it. Get some really good Lebanese spread, Middle Eastern pocket bread from a good Middle Eastern bakery, and slather it on that and serve it with some grape leaves or toss some really nice green beans with it. Really delicious. And our Lebanese garlic spread here has a little tinge of a green to it, and that's probably because of our really green olive oil. So there you go. And I always like to put a little color on it. Don't want it just plain. So I would say the Lebanese would probably do either like a green onion or some type of parsley on top. And of course, probably drizzle it with more olive oil. So enjoy, and if you try it, we'd love to hear from you. Give us a little buzz on Facebook and let us know how you made out. Thanks.